Running.
I think I stopped the camera and recording now.
This off here. That's why that's loose. Oh, it's broke off. So it works. It just broke off.
Like the
screw.
Yeah. I think it's like the one that we had issues with on ours.
Well, ours was broke here. This one's broke where it holds it out into here. It's snapped off. Right there, the threads are snapped off. See? Right there. There's nothing to screw it to on the outside. So it works. It snaps back. What we got for gas?
Probably.
We didn't even check the gas. I know we had this running once.
She's got fluid. I don't know if you can see in there.
They're nasty.
I don't know if you can see the dirt in the bottom.
Definitely need to flush.
But she's got gas in there. There was it wasn't float. Nothing was floating. It's got gas in it. Oh, you're gonna
add a little mix to it. Do I even want to add to that? That's terrible. Oh, hush. Can I add it without spilling it?
That's not mix. That's not mixing. That's not mix. It's kerosene.
Oh, really? It was sitting over here next to the mix. Well, that's definitely mixed.
Oops.
Dirty gas is almost full.
Yeah.
Dang it. Well, that ain't no good. I definitely gotta take the tank out. Well, that's more of a job than I want to do. How did this all come off?
I'm gonna take the seat off. That's got one screw in it on the top.
I don't know what that is.
I think
The breather?
I'm not sure. Actually.
It's fairly hot out here. Of course, it's too big. I knew it was too big. Really? Still too big? Broken.
It looks like it's a number 2 bit.
This thing is the worst thing in the world for holding bits. You can't get them out. Try again. Oh, I guess you got another one back. Nope. That wouldn't even connected to anything. I was just sitting there. Anyways.
Is that what that is? Just a breather box?
Yeah, this is the breather that goes on this that wasn't connected. Let's see. We got one screw here.
You got one on this side. And that's almost all the way out.
And now we're too small. Why would you use screws? Silly people. Too small. Big old wallered out screw. Oh yeah, she's all wallered out because it doesn't even fit the hole.
Yeah, she's a little stripped out.
Yeah, they didn't even fit it. This is something they had. Put that one there. Yeah, it'll work. Oh, it goes in part of the way, so that's fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. 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 That definitely didn't fit that. Whatever that was supposed to go into. I think this should have went longer.
There's one on the other side.
Yep.
That's almost all the way out.
This will kill this. Let's shut the thing off. This one rounded off like the other one was. We ain't using them again. Oh. Jimmy. I'll go put a flathead in there. Yep.
Throw in the washer.
Okay.
Yeah, I think she's ready to. Oh, we'll have to take off the
Yeah,
choke
we gotta
and
take
the.
off gotta take this off, which is one of those clip pins. And this is a screwdriver right there. So we need a hook. Whew. Hook. That.
Where's the tripod go? Where'd the tripod go?
Probably on the car. More than alright, there's my other hammer.
Oh, tripod. Our poor flag.